Want the best OBD-II scanner in 2025? We've tested the latest tools that can read, diagnose, and even reset your car in seconds. I say, stick around to find out which one is the must-have scanner this year. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and drop a comment about which one's best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Innova 5610. The Innova 5610 is best described as a crossover scanner, designed to satisfy both amateurs and professionals. Most scanners with this level of functionality are bulky, tablet-style devices. But here you get a comfortable handheld design. Plus, it connects to Innova's smartphone app via Bluetooth, adding flexibility. It's not the cheapest scanner out there, but far from the most expensive. Considering the features packed into a portable form factor, the value is excellent. If you need more than a basic code reader but don't want to overspend on pro-level tools, the Innova 5610 is a smart middle ground. Number 2. A Topdon TopScan. At first glance, the Topdon TopScan doesn't look like much, but don't let the size fool you. This little Bluetooth scanner goes way beyond basic fault codes. It checks performance, efficiency, and can even estimate horsepower and torque. Features usually found in scanners that cost 10 times more. That makes it a powerful yet affordable tool, whether you're fine-tuning your car or just making sure it stays roadworthy. For the price, the Topdon TopScan is one of the smartest additions to your toolbox. Number 3. Launch CR529. It might just be the best value OBD-II scanner you can buy. At only $38, it offers far more diagnostic power than expected. Of course, compromises exist. It won't read manufacturer-specific codes, and the unit feels a bit heavy. But those trade-offs are easy to forgive when you get live data, instant inspection, and a detailed look into your car's systems. Add lifetime updates with no subscription fees, and the CR529 just keeps delivering. Not built for hardcore professionals, but for everyday drivers? It's an excellent budget-friendly tool. Number 4. Ancel BD310. The Ancel BD310 is a clever dual-purpose scanner. It works as a handheld unit or as a Bluetooth device connected to your phone. Even better, it doubles as a secondary in-car display, showing live engine details as you drive. It's small and light enough to slip in your glove box, making it easy to keep on hand. Downsides? The 2-inch display is cramped, and the 4-key interface takes some getting used to. But the 56-inch cable is perfect for under-the-hood work, and it runs IM readiness tests while displaying performance data like coolant temp, timing, and RPM. Number 5. Carly OBD-II Scanner. The Carly OBD-II Scanner packs in serious value, but what really sets it apart is the companion app. Unlike most Bluetooth scanners with clunky software, Carly's app is polished. It not only reads and clears codes, but also offers repair guidance, maintenance tools, and even used car checks to help you avoid buying a lemon. Add in a lifetime warranty, and it feels premium. That said, some advanced features don't work with every car, and most of the app's best tools require a subscription, which can add up. So, which OBD-II scanner wins in 2025? The Carly OBD-II Scanner takes the crown, with its powerful app, advanced diagnostics, and ease of use. If you want pro-level control in your pocket, Carly is the clear choice.